Hiking and trekking are amazing. Nothing beats fresh air and beautiful views. It's a chance to challenge yourself and connect with nature. This guide will prepare you for adventure. We'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing trails to staying safe and making the most of your experience. Get ready to explore the great outdoors. Lace up your boots and let's get started. Picking the right trail is important. Think about your fitness level. Start with easier trails and gradually work your way up to harder ones. Research trails online and read reviews from other hikers. Look for trails that match your interests. Do you like forests, mountains, or deserts? Consider the trail distance and elevation gain. These factors determine the difficulty. Choose a trail that suits your abilities. Having the right gear is essential for a safe and enjoyable hike. Proper preparation can make the difference between a memorable adventure and a challenging ordeal. Invest in quality footwear that provides support and traction. Your feet are your primary mode of transportation on the trail, so it's crucial to keep them comfortable and protected. Hiking boots or sturdy trail running shoes are ideal. They offer the necessary grip and stability on uneven terrain, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Dress in layers to adapt to changing weather conditions. Layering allows you to add or remove clothing as needed, ensuring you stay warm without overheating. Avoid cotton clothing as it absorbs moisture. Wet cotton can lead to discomfort and even hypothermia in cooler conditions. Opt for moisture-wicking fabrics instead. These materials draw sweat away from your skin, keeping you dry and comfortable throughout your hike. Always carry a backpack to store your essentials. This includes water, snacks, a first aid kit, and navigation tools like a map and compass. Choose one with a comfortable fit and enough capacity for your gear. A well-fitted backpack distributes weight evenly, reducing strain on your back and shoulders, making your hike more enjoyable. Packing efficiently is crucial for a comfortable hike. Pack light, but bring all the essentials. Water is your priority. Carry plenty of it, especially on hot days. Pack nutritious snacks to keep your energy levels up. Trail mix, energy bars, and dried fruit are great options. Don't forget a first aid kit, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a map and compass. Pack these items in waterproof bags to protect them from the elements. Section 5. The power of planning, ensuring a successful hike. Planning is the cornerstone of any successful hike, ensuring both safety and enjoyment. Proper planning is essential for a safe and enjoyable hiking experience. It starts with gathering all necessary information about your chosen trail. Research your chosen trail thoroughly. Look into the trail's length, difficulty level, and any specific features or landmarks you might encounter. Familiarize yourself with the route, elevation changes, and potential hazards. Understanding the terrain will help you prepare physically and mentally for the hike. Check the weather forecast before you go. Weather conditions can change rapidly, and being aware of the forecast helps you pack the right gear. Be prepared for changing conditions. Pack clothing that can be layered so you can adjust to temperature changes throughout the day. Pack accordingly with rain gear or extra layers. This ensures you stay dry and warm, no matter what the weather brings. Always inform someone about your hiking plans. Communication is key to safety. Share your itinerary and estimated return time. This way, someone knows where you are and when to expect you back. This ensures someone knows your whereabouts in case of an emergency. If something goes wrong, they can alert authorities and provide crucial information about your planned route and schedule. Additionally, pack a first aid kit and other emergency supplies. Being prepared for minor injuries or unexpected situations can make a big difference. Don't forget to bring enough water and snacks to keep your energy levels up. Hydration and nutrition are vital for maintaining stamina during your hike. Finally, always carry a map and compass, even if you have a GPS device. Technology can fail, but traditional navigation tools are reliable backups. With thorough planning and preparation, you can focus on enjoying the beauty of nature and the thrill of the hike, knowing you're well prepared for any situation. Section 6. Safety First. Navigating the trails responsibly. When you set out on a hiking adventure, it's essential to prioritize your safety above all else. Safety should be your top priority when hiking. Before you even start, make sure your gear is in good condition. Proper footwear is crucial to prevent injuries. Double-check your laces and ensure your backpack is securely fastened. Stay on marked trails to avoid getting lost. These trails are designed to guide you safely through the wilderness. Venturing off the path can lead to dangerous situations and harm the environment. Pay attention to trail markers and signs. They provide valuable information about the trail's difficulty, direction, and any potential hazards. Always have a map and compass, and know how to use them. Pace yourself and take breaks when needed. Hiking can be physically demanding, so it's important to listen to your body. Resting periodically helps prevent fatigue and allows you to enjoy the scenery. Listen to your body and don't push yourself beyond your limits. Overexertion can lead to injuries or exhaustion. Stretching before and during your hike can help keep your muscles flexible and reduce the risk of cramps. Hiking is not a race. Take your time to appreciate the beauty around you. Enjoy the journey and the peacefulness of nature. It's about the experience, not how fast you can complete the trail. Be aware of your surroundings. Stay alert to changes in the weather, trail conditions, and any wildlife you may encounter. Awareness can help you react quickly to any unexpected situations. Watch out for wildlife, poisonous plants, and uneven terrain. Respect the natural habitat and keep a safe distance from animals. Be cautious of where you step to avoid tripping or encountering harmful plants. Carry a whistle to signal for help in case of an emergency. It's a simple yet effective tool that can make a big difference if you find yourself in trouble. Additionally, having a first aid kit and knowing basic first aid can be life-saving. Ensure your phone is fully charged and consider carrying a portable charger. A GPS device can also be invaluable for navigation. Always let someone know your hiking plans and expected return time. Lastly, practice leave no trace principles. Pack out all your trash and leave the trail as you found it. This helps preserve the natural beauty for future hikers and protects the environment. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy a safe and memorable hiking experience. Happy trails! Section 7. Leave no trace. Preserving nature's beauty. It's crucial to practice leave no trace principles while hiking. Pack out everything you pack in. Dispose of trash properly and never litter. Stay on designated trails to protect vegetation. Avoid disturbing wildlife or their habitats. Observe animals from a safe distance. Minimize campfire impacts. Use established fire rings where available. Pack out all ashes and food scraps. Section 8. Capturing the moment. Photography and videography tips. Capturing memories from your hike is a great way to relive the experience. Bring a camera or smartphone to capture the stunning scenery. Experiment with different angles and compositions. Use natural light to your advantage. Capture the beauty of the outdoors. Consider bringing a portable tripod for steady shots. Capture the highlights of your hike to share with friends and family. Section 9. Sharing your story. Inspiring others to explore. Sharing your hiking adventures can inspire others to explore the outdoors. Post your photos and videos on social media. Use relevant hashtags. Write about your experiences in a blog or journal. Share your insights and tips with fellow hikers. Encourage others to discover the joys of hiking. Promote responsible outdoor recreation and appreciation for nature. Section 10. Embrace the adventure. Your hiking journey begins now. Hiking offers countless benefits for both body and mind. It's a chance to connect with nature, challenge yourself, and create lasting memories with loved ones. Embrace the adventure and start planning your next hike today. Remember to choose trails that match your abilities. Pack and prepare accordingly for the journey. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the journey to the fullest. The great outdoors awaits your exploration and discovery.